In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve expense reports in Expensify. If you're a manager or someone responsible for overseeing financial matters in your organization, understanding how to efficiently approve expense reports is an essential skill. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started. Firstly, from your Expensify dashboard, you'll begin by finding your way to the main panel. The dashboard is essentially your control hub, displaying an overview of all your activity and options. It's user-friendly and designed to provide all the necessary tools to facilitate the smooth approval of expenses. Once you're on the dashboard, your next task is to locate and click on the Reports tab. This is the section where you'll find all submitted reports waiting to be reviewed and approved. Clicking here takes you to a page that lists every report needing your attention. After accessing reports, the next logical step is to navigate to the Expenses tab. By clicking on Expenses, you'll shift your focus from just the collective reports to the individual expense entries themselves. This area gives you a more detailed look at each expense item submitted by your team members, providing an opportunity to scrutinize them with greater detail. Now, it's time to select the specific expense entry that you want to review. This will usually involve looking at the date, name, and amount associated with each expense entry. Choose one that requires your attention or one that's pending for your approval. This task allows you to ensure that each entry is legitimate, falls within policy, and that all receipts and documentation accurately portray the expense incurred. Once you've reviewed the entry carefully and are satisfied with its validity, it's time for you to click on Review. This step is crucial as it represents your formal examination of the details and signifies that you've completed your initial review process. Don't hesitate to go over any details that seem unclear or require clarification. The review option is a sort of checkpoint, ensuring completed scrutiny of expenses before final approval. Finally, after all reviews have been conducted and you're thoroughly satisfied with the accuracy and legitimacy of the expense, click on Approve. This final step officially signs off on the expense, allowing for its processing and completion. Clicking on Approve means you acknowledge that the expense complies with company policies and standards. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the stages of approving an expense report in Expensify. Mastering this process not only streamlines financial operations, but also contributes to effective budgeting and accountability within the workplace. Be sure to check regularly for any pending reports, and you'll have everything under control. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful.